The CIM auction in Las Vegas every year at the wonderful World of Concrete is and has become the main fundraiser to fund the national coffers to be able to support the programs at the four universities. And it has grown in its success over the years. The last 3 years, we've exceeded $900,000, and we're very, very close to that $1 million mark. And it becomes more important as time goes on because the schools, we still have the initial needs, to be able to fund scholarships and take our students to meetings and to buy peripheral equipment for our labs and do the various things that make our program special. But there are other needs that have grown as time goes on. Tuition has gone up, and so the need to evaluate the amounts of scholarships have now become more important. And the National Steering Committee, because of the success of the auction, has been able to yield more to the schools in the amount of matching funds for scholarships. That's very, very important to us today. The National Steering Committee, for the first time, granted Chico State a matching gift last year of $200,000 that is necessary to help build our lab. We're doubling the size of our lab, which becomes important for teaching first, but also research and other things that we do in the lab. It was so important to be able to do this, and the money's not coming fast enough from the universities. So the patrons, both national and local, have made this a priority to make sure that our facilities are up to snuff as we go forward. And auction being something that I work hard on. I'm on the committee, and we're going to try very, very hard this year to get to that $1 million mark. And if that happens, then we can look at other avenues to spend our money most importantly on as we go forward. One area that's so important is the area of recruiting. The most challenging and important thing for the whole CIM program right now is to build our student base. We find ourselves in a marketplace that is absolutely crying for our graduates. Interesting enough, U.S. News and World Report last week just reported that the concrete and construction industries throughout the United States is now the #1 fastest growing industry that demands people to hire, and new people to hire is actually the business that we're in. So we really need to double our student count, and we hope to do that in the next 2 to 3 years, and we'll evaluate and see if we need to grow it again. We also want maybe to build our CIM program at another school in the Northeast, and that's going to require new and additional funds. And so auction is extremely important to National CIM, as well as it's important to the schools.